Behind every safe flight, there's a trained and certified pilot. And today, across Europe, more than 1.7 million A1, A3 and nearly 300,000 A2 drone certificates have been issued. Today I'm preparing for another flight, like lots of drone pilots across Europe. But before I take off, there's something every pilot needs to check. Because your ability to fly doesn't just depend on your drone, it depends on how ready you are. And having the right certificate is an essential part of that readiness. If you're one of those drone pilots and you want to continue flying, whether be it for passion or for profession, this information is essential for you. Because your European Remote Pilot Certificate is not permanent, it has an expiry date. And for many pilots with European drone certificates, that date could be approaching. I'm checking mine now. Every European drone pilot certificate is valid for 5 years. The European drone regulation was adopted in 2019 and has applied since 2020, which means many certificates will start reaching their expiry date over the coming years. Before you continue flying, remember to check your certificate and stay current. If your certificate is approaching expiry, you have two options: revalidation or renewal. If you act before expiry, you will revalidate. It's simple: a refresher course or a short exam. Your certificate stays the same. Your ID stays the same. Only the expiry date changes to the new date. But if you wait too long and your certificate expires, you must renew. Renewal means a new course and exam and a completely new certificate. And there's one more thing every drone pilot must understand: your competent authority. The competent authority is the one that issued your highest certificate level. So if you got an A1, A3 license in competent authority in EASA State A, and after that you got an A2 license in the competent authority in EASA State B, you need to revalidate in EASA State B. For revalidation, you return to the same authority. For renewal, you may choose any EASA competent authority you want. And remember, your certificate has only one expiry date. For many of us, flying isn't just a hobby. It's how we create, how we work, how we see the world from a different perspective. Every safe flight depends on preparation, responsibility and staying current. Check your certificate today.